Roe v. Wade Fast Facts. Here's a look at the U.S. Supreme Court case Roe v. Wade. Facts January 22, 1973, the U.S. Supreme Court, in a 7-2 decision, affirms the legality of a woman's right to have an abortion under the 14th Amendment to the Constitution. 1971 The case is filed by Norma McCorvey, known in court documents as Jane Roe, against Henry Wade, the district attorney of Dallas County, who enforced a Texas law that prohibited abortion, except to save a woman's life. The case The constitutional question. Does the Constitution embrace the right of a woman to obtain an abortion, nullifying the Texas prohibition? The decision the court held that a woman's right to an abortion fell within the right to privacy, recognized in Griswold v. Connecticut, protected by the 14th Amendment. The decision gave a woman the right to an abortion during the entirety of the pregnancy and defined different levels of state interest for regulating abortion in the second and third trimesters. Full-text opinions by the justices can be viewed here. The ruling affected laws in 46 states. Legal timeline 1971 The Supreme Court agrees to hear the case filed by Roe against Wade, who was enforcing the Texas abortion law that had been declared unconstitutional in an earlier federal district court case. Wade was ignoring the legal ruling, and both sides appealed. December 13, 1971 The case is argued before the U.S. Supreme Court. October 11, 1972 The case is re-argued before the U.S. Supreme Court. January 22, 1973, the U.S. Supreme Court, in a 7-2 decision, affirms the legality of a woman's right to have an abortion under the 14th Amendment to the Constitution. June 17, 2003 McCorvey, Roe, files a motion with the U.S. District Court in Dallas to have the case overturned and asks the court to consider new evidence that abortion hurts women. Included are 1,000 affidavits from women who say they regret their abortions. September 14, 2004, a 3-judge panel of the 5th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals in New Orleans dismisses McCorvey's motion to have the case overturned, according to the court's clerk. The player's McCorvey, Texas resident who sought to obtain an abortion. Texas law prohibited abortions except to save the pregnant mother's life. McCorvey was pregnant when she became the lead plaintiff in the case. She gave up the baby for adoption. McCorvey has since come forward and changed sides on the abortion debate. In 1997, McCorvey started Roe No More, a pro-life outreach organization that was dissolved in 2008. McCorvey died on February 18, 2017. Wade District Attorney of Dallas County from 1951 to 1987. McCorvey sued him because he enforced a law that prohibited abortion, except to save a woman's life. He died on March 1, 2001. Sarah Weddington, lawyer for McCorvey. Linda Coffey, lawyer for McCorvey. J. Floyd argued the cause for Texas in the first argument. Robert C. Flowers argued the cause for Texas in the second argument. Supreme Court Justice Opinions Majority. Harry A. Blackmun, for the court, William J. Brennan, Lewis F. Powell Jr., Thurgood Marshall concurring. Warren Berger, William Orville Douglas, Potter Stewart dissenting. William H. Rehnquist, Byron White. Click subscribe to receive the latest news.